What if I told you a simple drag-and-drop trick could launch an AI-powered app earning $10,000 every single day, and you'd spend less time than brewing coffee? Imagine the ping of daily sales, wild cash flows, and your phone lighting up, all before you even finish your morning espresso. Stay with me for the next 3 minutes and I'll show you the exact 5-minute workflow that's letting solopreneurs print digital gold with zero coding, using a free AI template most people still ignore. Alright, let's break it down. I'm handing you the 3-step blueprint I wish someone gave me years ago. Step 1. Pick a painkiller niche. Open up Google Trends, filter for rising, and hunt for evergreen problems. Think fitness meal plans, resume builders, or flashcards for students. If you spot AI meal plan generator spiking, you're on gold. Step 2. Clone a proven template. Head straight to Popsy.ai app builder or any no-code AI platform you vibe with. Grab the ChatGPT SaaS template. One click, boom, your backend, database, billing, even the landing page, instantly duplicated. Step 3. Train it in 60 seconds. Just paste in 3 to 5 high-quality prompts that solve your niche. Instantly, the AI whips up onboarding flows, perfect UI copy, even upsell emails. And yes, it looks as slick on mobile as it does on desktop. Now ready to scale to $10,000 a day? Here's how. Plug in Stripe and ship. 2 clicks and you're ready to take payments. I set the price at $29 per month with a 3-day free trial. Low friction, high conversion. Don't just take my word for it. The template comes with churn prevention emails tested to convert at 17%. Next, traffic machine time. Record a 30-second TikTok demo. No fancy gear needed, your phone is perfect. Repost on Reels and Shorts with link in bio. Average click-through rate, 4%. So if your video gets 100,000 views, that's 4,000 free trials pouring into your app. Step 6. Unlock exponential revenue. Add a $99 pro tier powered by GPT-4o. My upsell converts at 12%. Do the math with me, 500 paid users times $29 is over $14,000 a month. Add in those pro upgrades and you're smashing that $10,000 a day run rate. But don't just listen to me. Maya from Delhi cloned this exact template last month. Today her Stripe dashboard shows 2.5 crore rupees annualized. The window is wide open right now, but trust me, once these niches saturate, it gets way harder. So, ready to launch your own cash printing AI app? Smash that like button, subscribe for weekly SaaS secrets, and drop app gold in the comments so I can DM you my free prompt pack. And hey, share this with your friends before they beat you to the niche. Build a $10,000 day AI app in 5 minutes, zero code, zero experience.